Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time stopping by, I appreciate you coming by. Hopefully you like what you see and maybe add yourself to my subscribers list. I appreciate all my subscribers, you guys are wonderful. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Stone Woods Cook 41 Willys by Revell. It's a 125 kit. This kit originally came out in 1963, and this particular one is a reissue from 1995 by Revell monogram. This one's been packed away since about 95, 96. I took the shrink wrap off a long time ago, and here we are, molded in kind of a light blue. Well, first off, we got the body. It still feels a little slick. You may need to wash that up and scuff it up just a little bit to paint it. Feels kind of on the thin side for modern, compared to modern kits. But it's decent. It's just, I mean, I'm just barely doing that, and you see the whole body's flexing. Well, there's your front end view. There's the back. Need a little bit of cleanup in there. A little bit, I don't know what's going on there. Those must have to be cut off. I thought they were like bumper holders, but they're not. Alright, well there's the body. Right here we have the interior. On the bottom there, I don't know if you can see that, it says Revell 1982. So this kit's been out multiple different times. I believe they reissued it in the early 2000s also. Well, heck, they may still be putting it out, I'm not even sure. Well, there's that. You got your toe board there, and pretty simple. This will be the trunk area. The trunk opens on this one, so we'll do some nice detail work on the back there. Let me go ahead and put that back up. Good. And here we have, well, there. Start right off with the trunk lid. That's got a lot of grease on it, slick. I believe this here is the interior for the trunk. Little panel for back there. Some suspension parts. Looks like the dashboard. I don't know if you can see it clear enough or not. Little dividers, little inside panels that go like on the back of the quarter panels. Some hinges. Two different types of hinges. And what looks to be a either radiator support or the lower frame support. Here we have two of these, which look like inner trunk fender wells maybe. It says part 104L and 104R. Here we have some ladder bars, rear end, front and rear, for two halves, radiator, front suspension parts, drive shaft, horns. Everything's real thin on this one. Shock absorbers, leaf springs, real lightweight, I could say. Alright, here's the frame. Yeah, man, there's not much to that either, guys. I mean, it's there. It's taking a little bit of flex, but boy, I would think that would snap right in half if you hit it just wrong, or just right, however you want to say it. But there's the frame. Here we have engine parts. We got a bell housing for the transmission. Water pump timing chain cover assembly. More transmission parts, it looks like, two halves. Oil pan, set of heads with some nice detail on the bottom there. You can see your valves and everything. There's top of the block. Or side of the block, I'm not even sure. Because here's the bottom of the block here. Maybe that's oh yeah, that's another piece of the head, I guess. It's kind of weird though. Huh. I don't know, I have to get deeper into that one. Here's fan belt and pulley assembly. Here, this appears to be oil pump, oil filter with the pump, like an external filter. And the bottom of the bell housing. Alrighty. Here we have your inner and outer door panels, the actual door and then the inner panels. Right and left marked all nice. That's very nice. Still, like I said, it's really on the thin side compared to more modern kits. Heck, compared to the older kits. Here's some seats. Some brake wheel backings mocked up a little bit to look like brake drums. That's kind of neat. A little straight rod there, probably suspension part. Some exhaust manifolds. Some little, maybe little hinges. Well, I haven't seen this kit in so many years. Here's the hood. Not really well executed on this one, guys. Here's some chrome parts. Now these feel decent. Pretty hardy, you know. Nice wheels, nice deep wheels there for your rear slicks. Those are nice. Inner wheel rings. Say that 5 times fast. There's your head. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Your windshield frame. I don't know. Is there a customizing part to this, or this is the rear window? It looks like again another front end of a GTO, but that's the rear window. I don't know if they show a picture of it on the box. They don't. But I do happen to have the body sitting right here. Yeah, that's what that is. That goes in there. And some fancy dancy little chrome bits here. Little trim pieces to put around. Do some customizing. Front bumper, or rear bumper actually. This one's almost like a gasser. Some more linkage. Air scoop, that big sucker right there. Steering wheel, nice looking, custom looking steering wheel. Gas pedal that looks like a shoe. Little gauge package. I imagine it's your oil pressure, your water temperature, and amperage or whatever else you want to put on there. Whatever you can imagine in your mind. I believe these are the headlight pieces with the glass built right into it. And a little fuel tank, I think that is right there. 2 halves of it you glue together. That's pretty nice. Chrome is the nicest part of this kit. Here's the instruction. Oh, there's some decals. We'll do those first. We have California plate. And whatever that one is there, I can't make it out. Some sticker or decals. And this says 1989. That's so funny. So the kit's from 95, originally from 63, parts from 82, and these are from 89. That's hysterical. Alrighty. They're milking this one for all they can get. Oh, it's also known as the Swindler 2 Willys Coupe. And the instructions are from 89. That is funny. Kit number 1287. Oh, there, that fooled me. So we got, put your engine together. Oh yeah, that was the head piece that goes onto the little block. Really detailed as far as the looks of the pieces. A lot of nice detail to the parts. because you're going to cover up your heads and you're never going to see those pistons again, you know. But it's nice to see them when they're in there. There's your valve covers, transmission parts, yep. Little blower and everything, yeah, that was in the chrome parts. Alrighty. Build your front end, sorry about the noise. Put it together real nice, 15, 16, over here to 17. I'll get to this in a minute, guys. This is your windows. Keep that in mind. I'll show it to you next. Here's some other little parts to put on. Your door panels and your little handles and little straight pieces for your hinges. Over to the dashboard. That gauge goes upside down. The cluster that I showed you, they have it upside down here. Or it mounts from the flat side up. Then it goes in there. Yep, a little fuel tank for the front. Oh, that's what that little other piece was for that I thought might have been a radiator support. It's for to hold the fuel tank. Yep. Pretty neat. Nice parts there. That other big giant fin that I thought was for the inner wheel well, or quarter panel rather, it's like a protector for the roll cage. That's interesting. There, if you want to cut your scoop out of your hood. Over onto this side. Little final details. For your back end, put all that in, dress up your trunk real pretty, and slap some decals. I always call them stickers, that's funny. Slap some decals on there and have yourself a nice looking kit. Now, if you recall the windshield and the back glass, this is it. This is your windshield. I don't know if you can see it. Piece of glass, piece of plastic. So I don't know if you're going to have to lay this into the car and trace it out and then cut it out with scissors. I wouldn't suggest cutting it with an X-Acto knife because, boy, you'd really slip and hurt yourself with that. Then do that for your, looks like you got enough for the front, the rear, and maybe one side. If you do like the front here and the rear there, might have enough to do all four windows. But yeah, that's it. Alrighty. And we have some wheels. The rear wheels are nice. Look at the little on the stiff side, but they're nice slicks. We'll sand them down and give them some nice wear looking. You know, make them look original or authentic. Peel that little piece of flash off of there. The tires are Racemaster Drags. That's what it says. Racemaster Dragster, I think it says. Maybe you can read it better than I can. Okay, those are the rears. And for the fronts, we have two of these little skinny guys. Look like bicycle wheels. Yeah, a little thicker, more like front wheel on a motorcycle. Small motorcycle. And it says, that says Pirelli on it. That's pretty slick. That's about it. A couple little miscellaneous pieces fill in there. There's part of the engine head with the nice details with the tops of your pistons showing. Not in correct order for the firing order, of course, but whatever, you know. And then this little piece of a sprue that says 7101-0700 light medium blue or light metallic blue. Yep. That's good for the garbage box. Well, that's it, folks. I appreciate you stopping by. Hope you had a nice time. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll keep on keeping on. I'm enjoying the heck out of this hobby. I always have. I've been doing it since I was 3, and I'm much older than that. We'll just say that. All right, guys. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.